Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing an unboxing of my August Wild Hare kits. The Wild Hare Kits is a hand-curated kit company where you fill out a style profile telling them what kind of colors and embellishments you like, what kinds of projects you're working on, what your favorite brands are, and they send you a kit that is totally customized to your projects and the style that you have and the things that you like. So it's a surprise when it comes in the mail. It's not the same as everybody else's, but it's a great way to get a kit that you know you will love because it's been created just for you. So my note this month says, I hope you love your August kit. I thought the soft colors and florals in Pink Fresh Studios' new Just a Little Lovely collection would work well with your style. I also added some items with texture in the hopes that they'll help with your interest in mixed media, as well as our August cut file. Enjoy! So I told her I was really getting into mixed media lately, so that's why she had said that. And this is what my kit looks like right here. We'll dive right on in. The first thing that I have is this glassine bag filled with some twine. So we've got some light blue and white, some purple, and some pink. Those are so beautiful, and I'm excited to think of a creative way to use them instead of my usual way. And then we've got some fabric ephemera pieces from Pink Fresh Studio, and on the back here I hope you could see everything that's included in it. And yeah, I really love the fabric. I think that'll be really fun. Definitely a fun mixed media vibe there. Here's my little postcard from Allison, the owner of the Wild Hare Kits. Here is the exclusive August cut file. If you get the deluxe kit from them, they will send you their cut file of the month with your kit. And if you get the petite kit, which is the smaller kit, then they will send you a digital copy of it. So you can save it and you can cut it out yourself if you want to. And you get the digital if you do the deluxe as well. So yeah, I'm really excited for this little sunshine bit. I can't wait to see what I use it for. And then we've got some 6x6 papers here. This one is a cut apart. I can and I will. This says beautiful moment. And then we've got this beautiful pink ombre-ish with some purple. And then we've got this beautiful abstract painting. This beautiful black and white floral. And then we've got this colorful one and this pink and blue one here. Very cute floral pattern. And then we've got the mixed embellishment pack from Pink Fresh Studio. This is so fun. So we've got some flare buttons here, or some epoxy buttons, and then we've got the wood buttons, we've got the enamel dots, and then we have layered stickers. So that's kind of fun. I've never seen them do so many different elements in one pack before. So here's what those colors look like outside of the package. Very pretty. Very nice. And then we've got the Indigo and Ivy by Pink Paisley, and this is the sticker pack. I really love this a lot. We've got some gold foil there. I love the dark blue, more gold foil, some beautiful florals, a butterfly or moth. We've got some more pretty things on the back there, stay golden. Beautiful. I cannot wait to use these stickers, and they go so well with this Pink Fresh Studio line. Like, do those not look like they were made together in the same collection, or what? Two totally different brands. So that's an awesome part of a kit company and the Wild Hare Kits is they put together a kit that goes so well with each other, even though it pulls in different elements from different collections, and it just takes all of the worry and hassle out of coordinating your products to make beautiful pages, because they send you a kit where everything goes awesome together. And then we've got the enamel dots from the Pink Fresh Studio, Just a Little Lovely collection. And I love those purples. I cannot wait to use this. Then we have the puffy stickers by Pink Fresh Studio, Just a Little Lovely. And we've got this beautiful pink floral bunch and a green floral bunch, a heart, lots of the little purple elements brought in, which I love. And then on to the 12 by 12 papers this month. I'm probably most excited for this. We've got this one from Pink Fresh Studio. I love these colors. The purple and the pink and the subtle green are so beautiful together, and purple is a color that's not super common in the scrapbooking world, but I love it, and I love this paper. And then on the back, it's just an abstract painting there with some mixed media type of splatters on it. And then we have another painted background here with different shades of pink. And on the back of that is this beautiful, I guess it's like patchwork wood grain. It's not quite herringbone. I think they call this patchwork. Super beautiful. That would be really fun to use. And then we've got this floral wreath here that would be really fun to add some embellishments to and make a page on. But the back of it's really pretty too. How gorgeous are those colors? And then we've got this wood grain piece here, a lot of distressing on it. And then on the back we have a polka dot. And then we have this beautiful paper. I love all of the blue and the purple right now, so pretty. And I love this side too. This one is one of my favorite papers. I love a good tile pattern, especially if it's like Moroccan style, and this is so beautiful. I absolutely love the tile patterns, and these colors are just stunning. It's like a nice purpley blue. And then we've got all the colors on the back side of that paper. And then the last 12 by 12 paper in my kit this month is this one with the stripes on the back. So this is going to be such a fun kit to use, and I'm so excited to see that purple is now a trending color in the scrapbooking community. I can't wait to see more purple stuff. This kit is just beautiful and I love it. So I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing of my August Wild Hare kits. If you want to check out how I use this kit and how I use up lots of things from my crafty stash this month, go check out my Patreon channel. It's the best way to support me, and I have a couple different tiers there. I'm doing monthly challenges, my best tutorials, and scrapbooking tips and videos for you, and I'm just so excited for the wonderful community that is going to be happening over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye!